Hello, Francis from North Sounds and the Kronos Enthusiast Workshops here. I'll be creating a lead split combi. Now there's two things that you need to create this. One is you need a lead sound, and the other you need an accompaniment sound such as a piano or an electric piano. In this case, I want to use this one, Herbie's Butterfly EP. So from our previous videos, to get the sounds, we first select the sound in program mode. So in this case, we have the sine lead. And then I'll go to Combi Mode and choose an init combi or initialized combi. Go to the drop-down menu and copy from program. So we have the sine lead, insert effects all used. We want the master effects and total effects, and we'll put that in timbre 1. There you go. There's your sine lead. And now we want to go to our accompaniment sound, which is the electric piano. In this case, it's Herbie's Butterfly EP. Choose that in program mode first. And the drop down and copy from program. And this time I won't be copying the master effects and the total effects. And I'll import that to timbre 2. So now we have a layer of the lead sound and the EP. Next step is to create a split. We go to Midi Filter zones, go to keyboard zones, and assign a split point. So we want to play the lead sound on our right hand, and I'll assign that to the G note. We press the Enter button and press the G. And we do the opposite for the left hand sound. We go to top key and play the note below the bottom key of the previous sound. So that's an F sharp. So if I play the chord on the EP, the electric piano, it's too low. So what we need to do is raise that sound by an octave, and we go to the pitch tab and we select timbre 2, which is the electric piano, and raise that by an octave. And we do that by just punching in 12. It's 12 semitones, and 12 semitones equals an octave. There you go. Next step, we want the left sound to respond to the sustain pedal, but not the joystick. And at the same time, you want the right hand or the lead sound to respond to the pitch bend, but not the sustain pedal. So how do we do this? We go to Midi Filter and go to Midi Filter 1 and look for damper. And we want to disable that for the lead sound, which is in timbre 1, and then retain that for timbre 2. I'd like to disable the pitch bend for the left-hand sound by going to timbre parameter and pitch. And we want the bend range for the keyboard, for the electric piano, to be 0. So bend range is actually dictated by pitch, this tab. And by default, it says PRG, which stands for program. So this just follows the settings on the program itself. Now, by default, the electric piano responds to a +2, -2 value for pitch bend, for bend range. So what we're going to do is put that to 0. So when we use the joystick, it won't respond to it. And the only thing that'll bend is the lead sound, which is what we want. And there you go. That's all it takes to create a lead split. And from here, you can just write your combination. And I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. This has been Francis. Please check out my website, narfsounds.com, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Narf Sounds. Thanks. Bye.